Welcome back to a show and tell, not quite unboxing video. What we have here are a couple boxes from the UTG, part of the Leapers umbrella, the AR15 A2 fixed buttstock kit. So here you can see here both sides of the large side of the covers and a little bit of the feature set there. Illustration of the part itself, as well as how it may look when it's actually installed. You can see here a little bit more of the descriptions there, as well as what's actually included. So you do get the RECOIL buffer spring, extension tube, stock spacer, a screw, for this way, stock, and in this case the color in this one is black, made in Taiwan, a barcode, more parts numbers there, a little bit more feature set, and some warning stickers. And I can't see what quite is on this side here. Trying to see if there were any instructions with these, but I don't think they actually did. I mean, it's pretty straightforward if you know how to put it together. If not, consult an expert. And just to give you an idea of what the recoil buffer and spring in this model do look like. So again, rifle length type of buffer, and in this case kind of a phosphate type of finish on the spring. And I'm not sure of the weight grading of it, but again, whatever is generically used by UTG Leapers in this style of kit. And just to give you an idea of what it could look like on a setup, something like this, and then you could add further accessories that are based on the A2 design there. Taking a look on this side as well, give you an idea of how it looks when it's flush up against the back of the receiver, and some other design possibilities. You do have that flap that you can put in your cleaning kit or other accessories or Skittles, whatever. But in this case, I do have this accessory here that allows sling attachment and has been modified to accept a QD cup right here as well. So just taking a quick look at an example of the UTG under the Leapers umbrella AR15 A2 fixed buttstock kit. This has been another show and tell kind of unboxing video. Feel free to check out other show and tell videos in the channel, as well as other unboxing videos, as well as a selection of book review media reviews. Feel free to check all those out. Feel free to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you next time.